Hi guys, welcome to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? Definitely helps the channel. And as always, before we get started, I'm not a doctor, I don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal journey. And welcome to week 4 update. As we get closer to the end of the month and to the beginning of the month, I continue to struggle with the carbs and the carb addiction. I'll let you know what went on this past week. Well, we tried to do a beef and butter fast for a couple of days, and I had to stop. What happened was I became deathly sick again with that damn thing I had at the beginning of the month. Actually, at the end of the 2024, I was coughing a lot. I could not get any rest, so I was trying to, build up my strength by eating some carbs and stuff like that. I did do the beef and butter fast for a couple of days, and I had lost like 2 pounds. It wasn't that much. So we are planning on doing it again, probably the first part of February, around the first week, maybe February 8th or something like that is when I get my next check. So I'll be loading up my meat supply for the first few days of the that particular week, and hopefully we'll have some, great results. Now, I wanted to talk about a couple of things this morning. When you're doing a fast, regardless of whether it's a beef and butter fast or egg fast, and I'll talk about an egg fast as well, you might experience what's called the keto flu. And basically what that is as your body transitions over to burning your fat for fuel, you're going to experience, a whooshing effect below. You're going to be going to the bathroom a lot. You might feel sick. You might feel like you want to throw up and running feverish and stuff like that. But this wasn't from the keto flu. This was I'm dealing with a cold right now. Last night was the first night. I had a decent night's sleep for quite a while. I've been absolutely worried about jury duty. I found out this morning that they called the jury house and the courthouse this morning, and they excused me from jury duty because I'm dealing with health issues regarding my wife. So I was really happy about that. So that relieves that pressure from me. And so now we can just concentrate on me and my health. And yeah, so I've done both the egg fast and the beef and butter fast numerous times before. I've been really successful with the egg fast, but the problem with the eggs, I eat them every day, and I just can't hack eggs all day long. And eggs, you eat like minimum several to 8 eggs a day, and butter with each, or healthy fat with each egg. And so if you're doing like an egg fast, for instance, you would eat like 8 eggs, one egg at least a half hour into your getting up in the morning. You can make like a bulletproof coffee with eggs. I tried that before. I didn't care for that. I tried bulletproof coffee with butter in it. I didn't care for that. When I have my coffee in the morning, I have it the usual way. I have it monk fruit and a little bit of light cream. And that's how I can't drink my coffee any other way. And that's the only thing I'm not really giving up. And of course, I have 1 or 2 cans of Diet Coke soda every day, and in the water throughout the day. And then on occasion, like when I had this cold and flu that I'm dealing with right now, the whole point of it is if you don't get any rest, you're going to get run down. And what was going on also, I felt like I was having pain in my chest. I was breathing really heavy, and I couldn't sleep, and I was up all night hacking for 2 or 3 nights in a row, and I felt really terrible. So, I feel definitely a lot better, and I just want to keep encouraging you guys not to give up, because I'm certainly not going to give up. Last night it snowed out. We had the 3 or 4 inches of snow. It's not that bad. It was like powdery stuff, and for us that's normal. And that's about all I got to say. But just I would encourage you not to give up. I don't intend to giving up. But yeah, I got to do the beef and butter fast again. What I'm probably going to do is pick up those bigger size packages of ground beef. I'll pick up about 3 of those, and in between all that, I'll pick up a couple of pieces of steak. That's what I'll have for the entire week, and we'll document that the whole step of the way to show you how to fix up your ground beef and that sort of thing. Basically, when I fry up ground beef, I'll measure it out with 12-ounce container bags, or put them in Ziploc bags or whatever, and with a slab of butter in it, just take it out and plate and zap it in the microwave until it's cooked. and then I'll have that throughout the course of my day when I'm doing a beef and butter fast. But when I'm doing an egg fast, I fix it up: scrambled eggs, fried eggs, hard-boiled eggs with the 555 method in the Instant Pot. And I have done poached eggs before. I'm not crazy about poached eggs, but I don't cook them right, and they don't come out right when I cook them. So I just, my preferred method when I cook eggs in the morning is usually scrambled eggs, and I usually have 1 or 2. I have maybe four to six little link sausages from the banquet family, but yeah, it's going along good. I lost 2 pounds this past week. I'm down to 274 from 276, so I feel pretty good about that. The bloatiness out of my tummy is all gone. I'm still dealing with a little bit of a cold, but I would encourage you guys just not to give up and just keep chugging along. And I hadn't had a chance yet to do my some videos that I got ready up for you guys to get them up on the channel there for the some recipes. But just keep watching the channel, and thank you for supporting Ron's Keto Cafe. And I have a Facebook Facebook page, Ron's Keto Cafe. You're welcome to post anything you want in that, and help encouraging other people that are struggling like I've been struggling to get my weight down under control. But the weight's definitely going down in the right direction. That's the bottom line, because I can feel my clothes fitting a lot looser, and that sort of thing. You see what you can tell by the way I'm sounding. I don't sound quite right now because my nose it's all, I got a lot of lung fluid in my lungs that I'm trying to get out of me right now. And work-wise is going good. I'm going to work a couple of times this week. I did 1 day last week. Next week she's got me down for 2 days, and yeah, that's gonna be weird. Next week there she's got me working from 5:30 to closing time. I haven't done one of those shifts in a long time, but it'll be interesting to see how a store actually closes up at nighttime. And I have fun when I go to work. I enjoy it, and for at least right now. And everything. And other than that, everything is good. I hope you'll continue to support Ron's Keto Cafe, and I also have a Cash App, by the way, above the on my. If you go to click on the link right above it, it'll bring you right to it. You're welcome to buy me a coffee for a couple of bucks, but there's no purchase necessary. But just following me along has been really good. So I got nothing else more to add to it this week other than just I had a really bad week with a cold, and I've been doing an awful lot of resting and just taking it easy the best I can. But anyways, you guys have an amazing week. Be watching for the new month and what we got planned, and I'll be posting some more videos from time to time. Have a great day, guys. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.